My memo Aquaba Fambra Ghana TVGH mesra like comment subscribe. Turn on notifications so that anytime you post a video with this area Usambe Kebi. For NDC for they are going to have a very, very long road to 2028 election. And minye commissioning minye prophet. But one thing I can say is yeah, before 2028, NDC for they are going to raise their hands like this say Ghana for your bread, moment people from Beji. That is where we are headed. Because the rate at which NDC for Ankasa for give up on their own policies from 24-hour economy marketing same last time because he said the president apparently like I say market women after selling no they smell kafra and they are going to do put up battles 24-hour economy market no we are na coffee NDC for udi omechi asensema obeti no after convincing market women to vote for you, no, that's what they went to tell the market. John Mahama is excellency went to tell market women as part of the rationale. I drink that Edisa market 24-hour economic market in media and family. But what is up for contention is saying is one kasa blogger back what if no Amaro Shako. By 1 month, I think send me by a dragging or ye. For dragging ye because of ASR NDC MP as they say all to quite say or call Amanonia ye chino Netherlands a whole MP a chino or Netherlands. And from Netherlands they say so no update and they say they are sending him to the United States of America to go and face fraud and money laundering charges. Well, everybody is assumed innocent until proven otherwise, but a dent on the integrity of NDC for, well, we live to see how it turns out. But the Amaro Shako, nanka pushes our MP also in the personal blogger no. Or no kasa na bab motis is here or part of say Mr. John is John Mahama Kumasi Accra Road no. He say no the way Akufo who was acquiring so no. Ow, Bonnie Bain. Aden. Every single day, it is say, and accident as siwa, an accident is siwa, to when you pass you, and this if one casa or one marosha, quite a blogger, honestly. A man penny, Sebeya, Sir Express where we see who ye from Accra, Eko Kumasino. Why don't you put it on hold and invest the money into the bypasses Akufo Addo aban statia anka ebeboa because ekwan Amaro Shako echere no those sharp curves ni Akufo Addo aban statia say omo you over a bypass na bypass enye say ewo paper so mpo a start almost start say omo ye bypasses no omo ye bi wo I think in Sawam honu nyina enti ebe dru o mampeni we so no to ade no swear. Are we not tired of hearing? Say nipa say nipa say o mampeni de okọ Kumasi or through plane. Mo ya say John Mahama is excellency okọ Kumasi he bought plane and he unfairly the heat of ade ekosu Kumasi Accra kwan no so. But as for we here na ni be there we are supposed to go by that route. And the oya bypass na ye den your mampeni. Ya power chow, ya soon ya hu demonstrations in now see there be wo the expressway na obeye. Aden na chinchina opeso ye expressway. Even expressway the time a woman hun kra say air deadline by the time abewie no. Ultimately hun say it is even at least your tenure, but still say no one opeso we. Aden secret bang na womb. And if you are a student of politics, you are a student of how NDC do their thing, and you will know why changing now person expressway no. So I'm gonna scan over. NDC for no connect to Amaro Shako.
Road minister Mamimu Kotobe because and I know me and many Namiba say nipa 8. Higher 8. Omewu. But thank you, idea we are road minister can be and can see. It's your Ghana for share video, Mamma Fadi and Chilo. Aqua we are the death trap road. Death trap, you cut the whole Ghana. Acquire a death trap when Nipa would be a SR area from Asia Kosi Konongo. Death trap. Namomi and Shadi saying Naya and Kam Momas for my barco. Naya and Sempen you for say, bypasser, former president Nana Akufo Addo and former road minister Sansobachi I say, ye bypass Eddie Afa said you be your free Kumasi Babiano, Unfa Konongo, now for bypass ya. Yaka be a Ghana, yaka be a Nipa Wupa accident to see every week, every day, every 3 days. This road from stretch ya so Eko Pie Konongo. Am I in share video way? Share video way. Yes, President of Ghana, John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency. Yes, said the road minister, honorable road minister, honorable finance minister, to force baby as Kashe bypass from Konongo bypass now 50 kilometers to Yakwe MPP time no. Yes, Slam Montois because the one for war this stretch where to Akopie Konongo to Gasono is too much. Road minister share but say bypass MPP time Akufo Addo yes wo no omunya no ho. Then him say the for basi e be Kumasi Accra expressway. President ashia bo say we onya nto obeye. Road minister so ashia bo say onya nto obeye. But yes na mo say as eche say oba ukwo ni ma galamsey anon nkofo di tu. Galamsey na galamsey no mu di tu. Efu and erosion so take pa. That is how my other thing I say. TS 24 honorable road minister Mamimu Kotobe because and I know me and many who say nipa 8. Higher 8. Omewu. But thank you, idea we are road minister can be and can see. It's your slur. Akufo Addo na shasi. What say about some obey? Ya pese mama contractors never back to site. From Accra, from Konongo bypass na Ekopie Yakwe no. Baby Sika Shebia road minister, my contract am back to site. Because Ghana for sure monkwa. It's too much. 2 year Ghana ni na video we share. See some free Konongo. That's all be do Konongo promote Konongo. Ubetime di 2 hours because of traffic. Aka clear. Sa stretch ya so na accident si da bia. This year, metima ka se nipa ahwe omonkwa we do 100. Aba blumpo. This year kwa nipa ahwe omonkwa we this small stretch. Aba blue 100. Say anhwe anya de we animu ya na yase ya twen ya beya road minister ebedu si ebewie Accra Kumasi expressway no na nipa o ma hwere omonkwa wo kwan we so no is too much. 2 year Ghana ni onya video we share. Yes, the road minister. Yes, the president of Ghana. Yes, to force a baby asika shebia. Omo share bo say sa bypasser na MPP Akufo Addo we no omunya nto. Yes, no mo say Konongo de na emergency. Yes, animu ya mo be yamae. Konongo de no 15 kilometers. Konongo bypass na Ekopie Yakwe no. Yes, same panifo say animu ya mo mra mafisi because he say erosion take place. Ana ada se to di to galamsey. Baby asika shebia. O hwe de we say we ma mo koyi. O ko du Konongo no betima di traffic so Konongo more than 2 hours. Eti yasra baby asika shebia road minister. Yasra road minister say baby asika shebia this stretch Konongo bypass no baby asika shebia mu nyina mu fanya adwuma mai. Ye nim sama promise yasa mo ye Accra Kumasi expressway adwuma ekoso. President of Ghana John Dramani Mahama beka say this year Accra 70 kilometers. Say asa no kan. Kateno. Etu ya Ghana ni a share video emergency. I say animu ya the president of Ghana order the road minister ma contractor back to site. Said the car say any accident traffic e chie nyina no asubetwa. Ya me show bibia o video ano ahye.
Yeah. I will say the last time na me ka say Edumra say honorable Ken wo yi no a free MPP. This prime committee no so wo transfer kra no a what I know is say any kwan so wo ba bonten be ka say bia you're suspending a crowd. One cast or suspending a African or my Western case. It's an SO. Yeah, one cast or suspending a African or Becasamo. I feel no Obeka some more crowd, or yes, and on Obesa no grano, we're free party. It's a party no common of crowd straight away. We who say, or no Kujabediano Casa, now man for who say, like, no cano. If you are in all can see. Suspension the any for me. Obia why any intention say or person or break party na say there. Any can say okay so my suspending just like that because this is not the first time. And wakwa any pedintina I say imagine say me and this time can suspend me that. What I say? Oh yeah, because me young fellas the first no unfortunately me but before I will move here this election polling station elections no. Now me executive police station nti se me ko gina baby radio so anasa bonti baby na me can say ya party no right so suspend me unlike say Alex dey na we can Alex enyo bia o party no ono kasa there's no way a party no be say me you free man anasa my say because for just a sympathizer what I say but me dey na me hold position bi wom they seen they no cry me even like still no they call on me for certain things. Me try say me straight to munyesi we nko so yeah try say babo party na ya but obi a wa benefiting more every party no na say sa nipa na person bring party down na such a person na 2016 before 2016 no Paul Afoko ne kwabra Japan money ade mu na same crab mu so we na we try and change my party no etumi ba be win power enti we no so we che bebre a that is where ebekwa akọ ha adwen but se ye ne ntem a me hunu say by the time we do ho no a yenko election no na ye like wounds be o ho bia na ye healing daba ya kan ho abom because man for back to me say there one be kan ho asem ayaye because enye the best cry for the party ade ba ko na ohun say just after the primaries no the speech no obema no o kan asem bi na asem o kan no these are the things o kan ya afina manifest eba say you were 3 years or saying eda yanim so obeka ya the speech no obema no o kan say you were 3 years eda yanim enti no ya ade a wa planning but no o pa akwanya bi no de agina so enti no obi kodi na tem ni na ya me ya ne say me say obi to say supporter obi like obi or sympathize with honorable Kennedy Japan edidi Bawumia Mahama me ni problem but we sense say one kasa na woni obi ko contest no one kasa no watumi edi nipa na tem abra nipa no kura ankasa na wo no obi kasa tia wa na wa ba abonten say obi amanfo obi kasa tia na ade ba ko amehun say Ghanaians are not learning yeah Ghana country no there's no way. This is the time and say Ghana and Kasano, especially the youth, they should set up. No, I'm calling for the leaders, to account for every stewardship. Usha nyoma ya kosu we are saying idea na ukwa abroche ni idea abroche who say abrofu wo mu change wo mu laws ni idea just well, they are fed up with the Africans. Make me aka to be honest, Africans ni Latin America ni idea they are fed up with us. Until this time, one person say cry about horny idea. Until this is the time I see as ye and your my say, be your beer, so better home, which me I be beer, pepe, like what city, the country on so free, so especially Africa. Your resources all right, but still I know we are very poor because of the corrupt activities. A be more near identity. Until this is the time, which kwanya, one day even a blaster, one day Thomas Party for so like our issue or home yeah. But when you come to America tell you say they talk about rule of law. It is a rule of law, human rights. Senimpa no nyambo embu no for but unfortunately that appeal no kra omo ye na Ghanaians no nipa no ye o process here in kasa no sometimes no Ghanaians no so ye nyoma bi wo anyhow. Obi a wonim say yeah in the case wo issue wo pa yeah so we fill form anyhow without consulting the person. I have CC. It in the please me mom there yambo modiani yin film at this moment yeah say be yeah or man you betumi aya because the way I see things if we don't take care the 2028 no ebeba be sign ho akọ because me hu se empanyifo bi abọpọ se eye Dr. Bawumia pa de enya de omdo man the president that those people no honorable Ken one of them and nkofo na wo maye sa de no wo ye very top eye wo no some of them no eda so hihemu ebi mu da so hihemu a wo maye very quiet they wo ni like doctor ene didi boom ni ade hina so on the 90 year no on the movement the people around him no on among you behind the on for the campaign no ye no kra no or ye orphan and or ye the campaign yeah that is how
thank you so much. Thank you so much, Queen, for coming through. It's always an honor to have you, Charlie. Let me take a therefore I'm the same. I'll just off the live and go and sleep about 140.
I said someone who India who I saw Mamin Kasan.
You yes, let me hear you.
Voice Mamin Shashim free in AC party headquarters. Rather unfortunate to say our own people are now fighting us just because we love the party that we serve and we want the best for the party. But what I'm telling Honorable Afenyo Markins is Nyama bi wo hɔ a MPP you don't take it slightly. If so nima ebia or enjoy goodies and I said the kind-hearted side of NPP intino he doesn't know a lot of stuff. But what he get to know is that there are staff in MPP they don't take it slightly.
No, but therefore, okay, who kind of sounds so you must also be able to tell our people approach you 9 year right because
no, but
you can do your demonstration, but Ubi politically exposed Kasana is taken as a threat. And
the voice, the time honorable free inside or no, we had a poster, nene attitude, no the banner, na. Excuse me, say now he was mad. Now on wolf, and he wasn't the honorable that we all always know. Say we see our say that now why he didn't even give them a space, a breathing space. Now I'm more say at least no nanka, or best smile to them. Then they talk obia montumabona everything will be sorted out. What that kind of stuff, no. Yeah. But a new BNC then. Now omudi dinechi to the car side and you know so on more now MPP before. There's nowhere NDC nimba bit now say because NDC omo person kin e party and was saying and ndinu wuni say definitely say those guys no omo ye NPP for and they were not attacking you. They were not attacking you. And I know the boys, they will never attack somebody like you, Afenyo Markins. Yeah. Because you know that a lot of people in the MPP love you and will do anything to protect you. Yeah. And coming from you, as a Ubia, youth no any doubt, so say, oh, Kasama, Mona, you know, NDC says, youth no Obi, other NDC for your Muadia. What would you say about it? You being a lawyer, and Shema Sanimo Kosu. And me, the can say, hey. Yen take is never been free Alan Kojocha Martin. The time Alan contest here Akufo Addo. Un vote Alan Pulu. No ne Akufo Addo ye level head.
Yeah.
You never that close competition no. That close. And all the contests are only Akufo Addo ne that close. But only at the Kurindia Dr. Abesa Alan. Alan wasn't loyal to NPP.
Yeah.
NPP, yeah, reward loyalty. Alan wasn't loyal. The time NPP, you lose ya court. Doctor stood up in the courtroom for good 6 months or so.
Yeah.
No, Jan caught them. But all those I get money people, no, they were at their firm working. But Dr. Jinaho, in the name of the party, I convince court say, near Ghana and the young Kanokra. Nkada electoral result would be overturned.
Yeah.
But they chose say, oh, yen say Serbia Basabasa and they accepted it.
Yeah.
Oh, and he said, oh, yeah, be at MPP. Yeah, Pinuna who say MPP reward loyalty. Can I yapon, eh? Say, eh, yeah, Ofu say, or more yodium now, almost support now. Then I tell him, say, oh, boy, why is Maminka way on authorities? Say, Omo Mudi Kennedy, Omuya de day, no Mutia Buchi.
Yeah.
99% of Ken supporters are outside. They don't even have money to come down and vote. They don't have plane ticket to come down and vote. And what you are now, Oma, Wenum, Yodi. The voice, Ken or a better person. He's such a bitter man.
Now, what is the bitterness over? And name me question. No bitterness.
Like,
No, over there. No, we are there.
No, King Fu say, party whatever he desired, no, I said in Saka. To me, that's how I see it because say, as a ubia wapampane ba na wabisa wade ba kuno wakache say bini we dey men farm nani buafu. We all can attest that Ken obia on Ken ahwe contract on ho a wanye bia Ken is any paniyaka.
Yeah.
Ken is any paniyaka. And the identity on one person a person contract one MPP na Nsaka. Yanko energy sector Ken jin contract Makusa 20 within 6 years.
Bruce, how?
Energy sector and Kwana Maker. Energy sector and
Kwana. Bruce,
one. Ama Oba di Coachella Equaji contract. We be a MP for Ankasa because we a party member. And the Equakasa was him showdown. Ken, one thing is on say, Omo wa video mono ye, Omuno Motisron Kakrabino, our video mo. Yena yetiasia no video bia na yena yetiasia nso yedo osisi no mo motisoro ho enti say o kasa na say ufu say separate ni na no mo moti ho na then I bet you say ne o ya a mistake why a mistake mpo na say empanfo some of them don't have balls because they are in the pocket of King and King abo omo 1 city 2 cities in omo suro so mbeka no kra na kire no that's what we are all going through now.
And yet entirely that. Or therefore, see, this is where I disagree with you a little bit. Someone say, nipa no, we're not part in the match, and you are on allies, okay? Ni allies for and over time, also, let me say, some person may contest for position B, maybe 10 years ago. Never will I know say one day will come, maybe a Ken will become this way, and so this come or this come Bawumia. I mean, now take it. And the Ebana and Nessa, and yes, we don't have balls, so but. You know, sometimes you must let people go in a calm manner. So when the person leaves, you know, so be out do MPP. A typical example, and he said, election in January, or therefore, you and I can testify. Say, we started complaining about idea penny 4 years from July when we went for a Congress. You see Bawumia picture and say free world because a better advantage to Bawumia. You and I were complaining. You understand? When they said no proxy voting, you and I were complaining. We thought say most of the people in diaspora and doing that, you know, go against Dr. Mamudu Bawumia. But in the end, after the election, Bawumia winning, they went out by a ding. It showed say. After all, everything in 24 year to that time, no, they got it right. And yes, sir, I think, sir, same wisdom no person will apply in this very case.
Now, the voice, say, Ken he want the party to push him. He want the party to push him, and then he have been doing everything possible. Say, party never catch us. Never catch us. Say, munko.
Usa sema, if you no can say. You and I know say disciplinary committee invite Ken Omba.
Yeah, I know for sure.
Good. And to Ambassa now, say one for Bawumia Mahama party no. That one we
doesn't respect anybody in the party. That's he.
No, but you see, as it stands no, can't me can sir. But you're inviting to say Omba disciplinary committee Wamba. You and I now have a case say on Ken with this party in the when he goes anywhere tomorrow and says anything, people will tell him, say, but the party people gave you the opportunity to come and defend, so you didn't go. So what is
the better say party in best kicking down second the free party?
And yeah, better. Oh yeah. That one.
And you know, we shouldn't wait for him to resign than us sacking him.
And say 2 weeks. Say within these 2 weeks, you will know what to do.
Oh, Ken, I don't know. You know this man, or he will be an army penasempa.
Yeah.
Because of his long-standing MPP and the war, also who do that seat for us.
Yeah.
But at the end, you know, whatever he gained from the party, he's using that same resources to fight against the party.
Yeah.
Which is bad. Oh, MPP, you will never allow him to bring the party down. And he cannot bring the party down. But one thing they should be assured of, and those his allies in the party say Dr. Winia, if Doctor doesn't win, nobody will come. They should mark it on the wall. If Doctor doesn't win this 2020 election, he will come 2032. If he doesn't win 2032, he will come 2036. Until Doctor is no more, that we will allow anybody to come close to that flag bearership race. And even that, we also fight against that person. So if they want, they have to do everything within their power to let Doctor serve his term and go. That's all we ask of them. That's all we are asking of them. Nothing more, nothing less. But if they think that they are going to play us, we here, those who support the party and those who support Doctor, we are more than those who are up there. You see, this issue that happened at the party headquarters, I learned Jennifer said that they should call the police on the guys. You, Jennifer, you know.
Yes.
No, yes, I confirm because those time I'm no more recorded. Some of them were live on TikTok. You know, this generation now, you can't do anything and go scot-free. You as a communication team member, and you go to about 2020, 2024, you go to about now only Kwakuba what is studio. Omani galam say, hey, yeah, campaign TI. Now you know very well, Kwakuba galam say you couldn't say it because of your downfall. And this same person, edu baby amama me cancer
abotre.
No me cancer because you cancer ma ya na ye eni ato doctor e person obey president nti. Ye de eni ato NPP e person back to power. Na edu baby ane omo ye no. In fact, ya na ya asefin.
Yo.
Voice unim aduma what ye let me use you as an example. Unim aduma why after the election stress that work go through after this election you making sure say MPP na ya kono a o she NPP atare kura na nipa ni anse wa she NPP atare.
Yeah.
After this defeat NDC for defeat here ebinsi Ghana that say yako parliament na about 217 70 something constituency in MPs no yeah 87 87 and with all this and then your party nuclear connoissing the party are all power.
Yeah.
Because of these young guys on more TikTok. Yembisa, when was the last time Jennifer no sorry say and the party me ye campaign me boy youth no or me talk credit amobima or mo dia akasa wo ayiso. No. You guys don't do that, but Munji good is never party na. Throughout these 8 years.
Therefore me paucho ebano sister Jennifer say no there. Mameka be man. Why? We say everybody just thinking about how to build the image of the party. And to me sure pa say and you say on pen microphone asemu and I say na ade omu ye no na enyo mu na enye ni de o but maybe the optics I gidi na esi wo hontina or say enfre police for.
Do you know say honorable Ninkofo na say yinase?
I mean, and I can't tell about who there.
Yeah, me fair. Ebisai and who
me bra penny new. Me see Yenja Jennifer Semno. Yen fan say assembly say the cool heads have prevailed. and nipa ye pen say ye pese party and pam no e kin de Japan enti mpatro yen jagin fa asem no ujai wa hanso a na aja wa platform bia so so
me voice only the time I say follow Jennifer
enti yen jai
my follow Jennifer I was social media more than 10 years.
Matiasi.
Yeah, that's all that. Not me per jumana or you say, tell me, I'm a say a party, a mana or mudi any moon or mondosu. And the Umusa or bar sorriness or campaign MPP near ya, and he just say, Waja Nedumo or campaigning by a do baby, young kind of grand job, or moon position almost times near. Now you say, ye na ye fight for a common go. Boys no more, or moon not do MPP in Tia in Eden. Yeah, fighting. Yes, it will be a Ubitan will be. Can it Japan a person free party no? Yeah, you know, don't and India person can free party no. Yes, I can no. But for the good purpose, the good purpose of NPP, say be a baba power and we have to sacrifice some people. And the comments can all make you outside. You have to sacrifice him because at this point in time, you don't need him in the party. Say be or na say of course son Adrian na so say oh about this for Masan but there then we will reconsider him and we will give him the love that we have for him back. But as at now, and in go for multi social media or more than NDC for Moody Dr. Temni there. And on also be an as some of it can be a my party no a home manyam numb a good party anymore in there. Your constitution I govern MPP no. HPF say or no you every right say you need. You every right say Pam no. And the voice. What they are there sending you. My infancy na your umpire say doctor Emra meye ye kandi fo ewo Ghana na ye abamboni a and this vobu na ebinum chairman ne omo MP twempere mu odin na eba omo bu radio presenters ne ade no ye ntu sa ne mani nyina mfiri Ghana na Ghana mfa ntu mampa mfira medas minia.
Therefore, thank you so much for listening to me. Therefore, the make us say out or free answer or another platform so I can give you. I say we will see for. Mamida Moon na I say power nature say indiscipline has eaten deep into the structures of the MPP. I say more. Let me thank each and every one of you that came to make a date with me here on the platform, and I can let me also say you can support us. I mean data any move for anything. You see there, Yamianda Roma, me bra girlfriend, I thought a big light and mommy. You say na me use secret like we cry me reduce power no. You see me for your business, mommy the MPP Juma. You can support us. Or therefore also me video switcher. With a one umbrella now. Light a woman, a very big light, solid light. Auto free US and me bra girlfriend man. Thanks to each and every one of you who has been supporting. Coming to watch alone, enough support for me. I'm sure. And then also remember my family in prayers. My senior brother, my papa and mommy firstborn, we free him. And remember me in prayers. Remember my family in prayers. And let's keep doing the good work we are doing for the New Patriotic Party. I love you all. I'll see you when you see me. Bye bye.